Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pepperstone to TradingView. So log into your Pepperstone secure client area and look at your active account list. If you only see MetaTrader MT4 or MT5, you must add TradingView login. So click here to request an account or add a trading account. Now here, select the trading view. So I have it right over here, as you can see. So in this drop down menu, you can select here trading view. You will have it, but I don't have it because it's right over here. Okay, in new web browser tab and log into TradingView. This is the second thing what you need to do. So navigate to the top menu and hover over products and select supercharts. Now product you will see right here, and then supercharts, click on that. Now look at the very bottom edge of your main chart screen and locate the row of tabs containing stock, screener, pine editor, and strategy tester. So let's find that. Okay, so here at the top, you will see top right corner, you will see trade button. So trade with your broker. So click on that, and this window will pop up right over here. And you will find here Pepperstone right over here. Okay, so click on that, and yeah, what you need to do now is just connect. Now the website will load up, so connect Pepperstone to TradingView. Okay, approve access, just like that. Now we need to wait again. And yeah, just like that, we have now successfully connected Pepperstone and TradingView. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.